One thing I should probably mention, which I hadn't mentioned before, is Abaqus doesn't ask you what set of units you're working with. If you notice in the sketcher in the previous window, we specified numbers like 0.1 and 0.4. Now, what was the meaning of all this? Were we working in meters or inches or centimeters? You know what? Abaqus says go ahead and work in whatever system of units you like. Just be sure to remain consistent. So for example, let's say I want to work in SI units. All of the lengths I specify should be in meters. All of the masses could be in kilograms, time in seconds. And so if I specify a constant such as the Young's modulus a little later on, I want to make sure I put that in pascals and not in gigapascals or megapascals, because Abaqus isn't really keeping track of the units, it's assuming you are. So you need to know what units you're working in, and you need to make sure they remain consistent. And as long as you do that, you don't have to tell Abaqus, hey, I'm working with meters, or inches, or kilograms, or pounds. Abaqus doesn't care about that.